Good afternoon, students. I'm coming to you today with some additional information about our module this week, the week of April 6th, with some kudos and instructions for just a reminder of how to wrap up the week. If you recall, you do have an assignment at the end of the week on the 12th, an outline, a draft outline for your second essay. But let's go back to the top and just do a quick review, because I know that we're all still adjusting to remote instruction. And I do understand that it is an adjustment and a little bit challenging to go from face-to-face classes to everything remotely. So we're wrapping up the second week of remote instruction, and you guys are doing a really good job. I see a lot of great stuff posted online, and I'm trying to go online and give you feedback as you post it. Remember that our modules they open at the beginning of the week on Monday, usually in the morning, but this week I think the module opened around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but usually, at the beginning of the week. You're always going to have instructions, right, which you need to read first and then mark as done. This week we had tools and resources, a PowerPoint, a short video. You do need to make sure you do those. Many of you are doing this correctly. We had a warm-up, which is a quick write is just that, like 10 minutes, right? And then posting your topic for your bounce back story. That was your homework, just to decide on your topic. And then midweek on Wednesday, you had one paragraph due, your first body paragraph, which many of you posted. Did a really nice job, and I provided feedback already today. All right, so it was due last night, and then I went online this morning and typed up my feedback. But then at the end of the week, you had an assignment. You have an assignment, and that's a format that you can come to count on. I'm going to try and be very consistent with modules opening up on Monday, instructions, any lessons, videos, tools, a warm-up activity, a lab usually midweek, and then an assignment usually end of week. And I'm spreading things out just to make it more manageable. Even though the module opens up on Monday and there are due dates for things like on Tuesday and Wednesday and the end of the week, all of the links, by the way, are open all week. So if you miss the deadline for the body paragraph, don't worry. You can still submit it. The link is open all week. Remember that instruction is asynchronous, which means I may be going online on Tuesdays and Thursdays during our normal class hours to answer questions, but you can go online anytime during the week to do the work, okay? So modules open at the beginning and close at the end of the week. Let's take a look at what you guys did yesterday, the body paragraphs. And I'm actually going to go into, let's see. And just click on this. Okay, here we go. So you were supposed to submit the first body paragraph of your second essay, which is the beginning of your story. And many of you did a very nice job. Kudos to DJ, Raymundo, Rashid, Trishala, and Kayla. Okay, I have already responded to your paragraph, so please remember that anytime you submit a draft, go back the next day or within a day or two and check out my feedback, okay? If you didn't have a chance to submit it, the link's still open. Okay, so let's talk about the outline, which is due at the end of the week. And this is actually not a lot of work, okay? An outline is really just a plan for your paper. It's a plan for arranging the details in the order of where you think you're going to use them, okay? I have attached a guide to help you create your outline. Here's the guide that I've attached. Essay 2 outline, a plan for organizing your bounce back story. So just a working thesis statement. What do you think your thesis is going to be? This is just a first draft. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just one sentence. Topic sentences. Now, if you've already done your first body paragraph, just pull the topic sentence from there. Pull a detail or an example from that paragraph. right? What do you think the topic sentence for your second body paragraph is going to be? Remember, your second paragraph is the middle of your bounce back story. What is the disappointment or failure? That's what you're describing in your second paragraph. So your topic sentence, 2 examples. Now remember, if you've done all of your pre-writing, that graphic organizer, you're just pulling details from the pre-writing, right? Pulling the details from that middle column, the middle of your story, and then creating a topic sentence, creating 2 examples, okay? And then your third topic sentence, your third body paragraph. How did you bounce back? What did you learn? And then 2 examples, and you're done. That's it. So really, you've already done about half of this outline with that first body paragraph, right? So go back to those graphic organizers, pull details from your graphic organizers, start filling in an outline. In total, this is just 10 sentences, a thesis, 3 topic sentences, and 2 examples for each topic sentence, okay? And this is worth 15 points. It's being graded for thoughtfulness, description, and of course for following directions. So that is the outline. And here's another example, right? I put an example outline in the link. I also enclosed a video, which is about 3 minutes, okay? Here's the rubric for grading your outline: attention to detail, very thoughtful, generally, mostly thoughtful, and just does sort of an adequate, a fair job. And then following directions, does a great job or did not follow all of the directions. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, but that's the last thing for the module this week. And I want to say again, you guys are doing a great job, so keep up the good work. Finally, I did unhide your grades for Essay 1, so make sure you go in there and check out your grades. Email me if you have any questions. Okay, take care, and I hope you have a good rest of your week.